Guys, right, so I'm just making some new dies for the mini power hammer. These are just mild steel. I've got chunks of this lying around, and all I'm going to do is make some effectively drawing out dies. I'm going to make a taper either side, if that makes sense. So, hold on, a piece of chalk here. Just going to basically grind this away, or cut it, grind it top and bottom. Side you can see something all like that. So obviously I use these predominantly for small knife blanks. I thought it'd be good to get, obviously we're doing the small carving knives I'm trying to make. So obviously currently I've got like a domed head, a crown, I think it's called a crowning die possibly. But this will just help obviously drawing out flat stock. Be able to forge the tangs with this a lot quicker as well. So, like I said, they're only mild steel, so I'm just an experiment really, see how it gets on. So just put some dye in them, let it dry, mark them out, grind them, and then I'll tack them together like this. Obviously, sit them in the power hammer, weld them, and then cut the tacks. And then just give it a test run next time I'm down there, see how it goes. If it works well, then I'll probably replace them with a bit of carbon steel or something for the edges, like the 4140 I've got currently. But either way, it's just a bit of a prototyping, experimenting, seeing what works better. I've done a few upgrades to the little hammer as well, so I'll probably include that in the video as well. Alright guys, just at the forge, obviously with the little power hammer. These are those dies that I made. Just tacked them together for now, just to keep it aligned. So I'm going to cut this one out, and obviously just tack them in now, just stick weld them in for the time being, and just test it out and see how it runs. Obviously I finally got around to changing these. So we'll get that tested up, get that stick welded in now and see how it goes. Helps if you put your torches in your lead. What an amateur, eh? You do it as well. Right, that's that welded on, let's see how we get on. Screw supports. Here's the hammer with the new dies, just forging an axe out, so let's see how it goes. So not the best tongs for the job, obviously. It works well for what you want it to do, and then obviously you need it up with a hammer, a hand hammer. So there we are.